Good morning again. Here we are, Captain Herbert Magny, DeAngelo Marine Exhaust at the New Orleans WorkBoat Show. And folks, it is an amazing show. But right now, this is something very, very important. And I'm talking about Vanguard.
Hi everybody, this is Rhiannon with Vessel Vanguard. We are also really excited to be here at the WorkBoat Show. We are seeing current customers, new prospects, and we're here talking about marine maintenance tracking, safety management, implementation and tracking, and really bringing Vessel Vanguard 360 to the WorkBoat Show this year.
Now I know for a fact they're bringing over the ethos and the practices from the aviation industry, who has a super high set of standards. And that's needed over here. Our industry is playing catch up most of the time. I've worked in the workboat industry, the oil field, passenger vessel, and the yachting industries. Every single one of them can benefit from all this. All of the maintenance, safety information, crew training information. And this is what Vessel Vanguard puts together, wraps up a nice tidy package for you.
On-the-spot information, you know exactly what's happening with your crew, with your boat, anything relating to your operation. In the moment, it's at your fingertips, whether it's on your phone or it's on your iPad or directly from your website, but you have everything you need to safely operate on the water and in this organization.